It is the first day of 2026 and big things are planned for 9 Mech Works this year. You can see the Mech is gone. Now you see the arms worked, but the leg circuits were unreliable and the cockpit wasn't safe for the public to enter. So I'm rebuilding it to be safe, reliable, and look nice. Yes, giant robot piloting lessons are planned in the future. Of course, I am recording the entire process to make professional type videos to be released in about a month or so to take advantage of the YouTube algorithm. These videos will be about building the Mech's drive system, deconstructing the Mech, and public release of code for easy Python voice commands. What is a Gundam?
Let me think about it.
After these, I plan for videos about building the new Mech cockpit, building new leg circuits and making the Mech's legs actually walk, and talking about SPUD the robowaifu. You've probably seen a few videos about the specially programmed Woo droid on the channel. Although she's fallen on her face a few times, she's still quite functional. After 20 minutes of arguing with her, I finally got her to sing a Christmas song. Take a listen. Will you sing a Christmas song?
Okay, let me think. Verse 1. Jingle bells o'er the fields. We go in our one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in. Hi. A one-horse open sleigh, chorus, blah blah blah, oh. My God, you guys are so amazing, I can't. Hey, believe I get to sing with you, so. Let's all belt out this holiday tune.
Delightfully unhinged. But as you can see, I still need to do some optimization before she is quite ready. She has the cadence of an autistic Captain Kirk.
The Enterprise has just discovered a strange new planet in the Gamma Fallopian star system. Mr. Sulu, ahead warp 9.
That's because all the AI is running on a small 16GB Raspberry Pi 5 in her head. But more about that when the time comes. The end goal is to be something like a Android version of Neurosama, except I'm going to actually tell you what code I'm using. I will also be experimenting this year with a second channel dedicated solely to professionally edited content. If that channel does well, this one will become the vlog channel, containing unedited, unclickbaity footages. So don't worry, I'm not going away no matter what. And well, as the bard said, brevity is the soul of wit. You can see daily updates in the channel posts about what I'm working on, or whatever is on my mind. And remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Take care.